We would be looking somewhere in the region of 40 million would be what it would cost to put all this together. So we're looking at roughly a little over 50 homes. We are embarking on a second phase of a journey that started in the 1970s here. This second phase involves, unfortunately, sacrificing our number 2 rugby training field to put in a lifestyle housing complex. That will then provide the necessary capital and funding to drive a number of community-based assets. For example, a hauora hub.
Wai mare e mātou, nā te mahi a mātou Pākeke, ki te ata pipi tēnei whenua, mo roto i nā tau 50 ko pahuri ake nei. I roto i nā whiriwhiringa whakaaro, kei te whakawhānui atu, te tiro i te hakina kino naiho. Ki te hauora, me whai wāhi atu o te karapu i roto i a Ngāti Whakaue i te hapori o te kautu.
The Hora Hub will be a complex where our kaumātua, koeke, within walking distance even, can come and receive their health support, also accommodating an 8-bed dialysis unit. We're looking at across the board community, Māori focused, Te Ao Māori focused, with a physio, ear, nose and throat specialist, an optometrist, 3 doctors' consulting rooms, a rongoa specialist. And so if we can package all that up into one place, I'm absolutely sure it will support the community. Colin, this is a virtual conceptual flyover. When Frank Street, our next door neighbours here, were developing their particular development, council approached us to talk about stormwater and had we any thoughts of developing some of our land for housing. So they came back to the table and said they would redevelop Boale Park, a reservation park, which was a nice surprise for us. It means that we can actually now have our housing as well as the community asset, and Boale Park will actually be utilised.
The rugby club is looking at the potential to develop housing on its land. If it goes ahead, council will look to establish a new public sports field nearby, which the club could then also use. Rotorua needs more housing of all types, and development that helps to address our current significant shortage would be welcomed.
Kei te hukau te mahara ana ki te wāu e tamariki ana, tērā te wā ka huri aku Pākeke ana ki te hanga te whare nei. Te tuatahi ka whiwhi rātau i te whenua, ka tai ka huri ki te hanga te whare. He mahi oha i tērā wā, nā Ngāti Whakaua no e mahi. Mena mema te karapu, e raro i te whakahaere Uncle Alec Wilson. E tata ki te 50 nā tau te kaumātua o tēnei whare nai ni.
Demand is still out there, and it's huge. As much as I'd like to say that it was probably never the club's intention to have a social conscience about housing, it affects too many of our members not to ignore it.